St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Ranglang Kalai Kublai Farewell Yaisa Christopher Syiemlieh Ibla Shakri Yaga School Hadu Life Snam Last Dang Yaga Program Daga Jingduaina Brother Aldo Lapan Ya Yaga Farewell Program There is Jibling Sangriang Kajing Kran Pdiang Buram Nai Sister Kanrisha Thank you Ringkat kajing pendang yaga paila mau plor bat kajing ai singoba naga school management lapule yaga address dai wei na ikana class 11 kajing ai singoba nagi kana school kajing wai singobalung nagi kana class 9 kajing kuran ba singotanat na Reverend Father Jeffrey Kakuma Kajing Shat nagi kena class 10 Kajing Kran na Sir Christopher Syiemlieh Hakaba pule dai kun jongi Kajing Kran na galiang ginohikai Hakaba Sir Yohanes Yopniao Ila yitu I kamba jongi Babu Christopher Syiemlieh Hakaba ila khot down to sweet memories Ka special items nagi nonghikai Kajingai singoba Hakabai sa Nicholas Tempun ila ai hi bubu kum kadak jonga chinge lapan kut yaga program daga word of thanks na Miss Martina Tanyang badga family ti hapo teachers staff room kublai shibun dongin saki yagane
Ismamu eme nak benta kijing ai bat kijing kelku kibar na tesai lo jangi iwan lum hakne kacaka ban smamu eme nak benta Sir Christopher badai di hatiar jonge ban melapha yi hakne ka school jangi ban trai hangne hakisnem baladap ni sengamu eme trajisu nak benta Sir Christopher kejingai kebakor dor tam kabila ayah kene ke school da kejing sengoret iphai shme ban kerpa eme ban kerku ya I khamtam e benang yo ya kamet ka pakot akhya sendrani I trajisu ya don ringkat bagi barabor Kumaria mengira Kristen angkat kita ila join mungkin ke school lalu ustaz cejar kita spark kita mau hadu ustaz hajar mulai dalam duwe nak kita ingkai di belakang itu berapa ya kan dia school jongi pada nak dia school jongi kalau kumpakalong merta kadai naka mati jong isar Babu Christopher Syiemlieh dia nak putakan dia
the principal who is not here. Your colleagues and students are here to say a big thank you to you for your generous services rendered with love and care in this institution and in this place. Our words and gestures may not suffice to what you have done for the school. So all that we are going to express today is from all our hearts. So now, I would like to felicitate Sir
Saint Mary's Ramblang, Sing Shan Shadu Palor. Anam dan ken ban ben Paulus menta kasni. Namar mati raba anupi, tengkren kilasaki. Kajing kerku bat kajing buram terpang yapi Babu Christopher. Batu ai bat kajing ublay kan yai.
Thank you, sir. Once again, with heartfelt gratitude and continued prayer, the staff and students of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, thank you.
Kapag ka Herstad, haba pilaslam village kano ka meeting, nekakam mentre. Kapag ka suki, haba pi ap yaka. Kapuar kam kuchu habapang ne chitong. From St. Mary's Higher Secondary School, Ranglang. As I look back on my years of teaching, I am filled with a sense of pride and gratitude to God for the opportunities I have been given to make a difference in the lives of many young people of this remote and neglected area. Teaching has been more than just a job to me. It has always been a passion, a calling, and a way of life. I have always believed that education is the key to unlocking the potential of each and every student. And I have been honored to be a part of that process in the past 32 and a half years of my humble service here. I have had the privilege of working with some of the most dedicated educators like the late Reverend Father Leonard Karkongor, Reverend Sister Lina Khajana, etc. And I am grateful and thankful for the guidance and support they have provided me throughout my career. I have also been fortunate enough to have had the opportunity to work with some truly remarkable students who have inspired me to do my best. Teaching has taught me a lot of things. It has taught me that nothing is impossible and that with hard work and perseverance, anything can be achieved. It has taught me that every student is unique and worthy of respect and that every individual has a gift to offer. It has taught me to be patient, to listen and to guide. It has taught me to praise every success of each student. As I move on to the next phase of my life, I will carry with me all the memories and experiences I had during the last 32 and a half years. I still remember when I asked Sir Valentine Terniak to start Children's Day on 14 November 1990, when Sir Valentine acted as Nelson Mandela and myself as his wife. From that day or year onwards, Children's Day became a popular celebration in our school. I know that whatever comes my way, I am equipped to handle it with grace and dignity. Dear colleagues and students, before I retired on 31st December 2023, I plan to go on a pilgrimage to the Holy Land and maybe also to Italy. But due to my unlucky fate, the money that I saved for my travel was spent on my medical expenses at Health City Hospital Gauhati. So now I have to content myself by visiting Lajanrai, Ngundilang, and Maujalan. I want to thank Father Principal and our headmistress, my colleagues and students for organizing this farewell gathering for me. This is really the largest get-together on my behalf, and of course, the next one will be on my funeral day. The school has made my life so special, and I will forever be grateful and thankful for it. In conclusion, I want to request all the students of this school to work hard and pursue your dreams. Your dedication is the most powerful tool that you have. Use it to the best of your ability. And to my dear colleagues, kindly continue to inspire your students. Thank you and goodbye. And
Torani said, educators are the only people who lose sleep for other people's kids. Kinong hikai kidai tang maki ki badu dia do dam na kapanta ki khon jo kiwai. Ngidon ye Sir Christopher Syiemlieh I balong I wei na padeng kinong hikai bopau jong padeng ka St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Ramblang, but ni yang hangni pan ai ka chi khoblai pan ai ki smongu ye Sir Christopher Syiemlieh na kapanta ka jing chakri kabala lai pholai snam AA. I am honored to be here to celebrate the career and the achievement of a truly remarkable colleague, Sir Christopher Syiemlieh.
She has been a valued member of our team for over 33 years and has made a lasting impact on all of us with his hard work, dedication, and unwavering contribution towards excellence. Teachers are the gardeners of humanity, cultivating young minds into flourishing individuals. They go beyond imparting knowledge, weaving threads of critical thinking, creativity, resilience into the fabric of the society. Their influence transcends classroom, shaping not just the futures, but they are the values and the character of communities. More than just educators, they are the architects of dreams, igniting passions and empowering the next generation to build a brighter tomorrow. Sir Christopher, I slip. It is a slip of tongue. Please forgive me. Only you were remembered and honored for many reasons. May I cite a few of them. Before 2014, the creation of the new district, the Southwest Kashmir district, our school, St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Ramblang, St. Peter's Pendengrai, and Sipsing Higher Secondary School Nongpendeng were the three super schools of the West Kashmir's district sports officer. But napring kini LIGHT-Tbeh school, the first prize jong ka annual district sports kan LIGHT-Tbeh St. Mary's, Lane St. Peter, Lane Sipsing. But Sir Christopher iladai way na prengi besyang sheteng yang sports. Kalaja ba ha usnam khandai spa khandai bokra. Na kalian jong u district sports officer ula bakla ke jengkhen. But ya ka champion team la award no cha ka St. Peter's Pendengrai. Kini kai ke dalam ha ka sports day ha ba kila khen but kila table ya ki scores berokot kila syam ba ka tam ka scores jong ka St. Mary's. Kumta ha ka singi ka babut Sir Christopher bat mga daka baik ngilai ja kendu yau district sports officer pernah stoin. But ngilik pen ya gijing kenjing dia ke bangila bu la kaliang jengi kini kai. Shisendon u district sports officer jongka West Kashmir district ulai ya compare ya ka jing kenjingi par ka jing kenjuki. But lap shisha bah ka school jengi kalalong ka champion how to snap. Kumta hapo shikenta na kaliang jong district sports officer lo lek pan shimno ya ka trophy na po St. Peter's barang lawan ai no shangi tungin thapti na kamata kani ka shakni. How you snap Sir Christopher Syiemlieh Hindi tangba syukut dok kejehikan ni lakut lai biji. Anda ngila kut ka porlong sekolah ni ngila lek penting jadi kena sekolah jungi kita nak exam hantai nong pendek. Bat kisah aku ke yang wai hantai pomo klam. Tak kabai ngila lek usalen sajo kabai plus nang kluj. Babu Christopher Syiemlieh ulai you slam yo tu salensar bat ka juti jungu shilang kala ingno. Kum wei bru bastuna babar kan beri wong ngan phong keliang no kadiang sekamon sekadiang ban penkaju dor korang yang de kalalong kajing syam bat ke experience ke bahasa tenak hadu kata-kata ilalong iwe na pedengki pioneer ki baya kontak bahkan me letter kaneka light hakini tanyang blang ki juni hai di snap khnai phun riu khnai phun yo bangawan ni komisionisha rang blang larengi olai chitayo ngini olai kam ta prestayo kini kai ba khamrang ba kita sama jur barang kata kalau jauh ke ski by Christopher bat manga Mario ke school nilai syapok makarwat ban komplain bakal like kalip kha bat bun bakal me like kanta sa kata chitayo dan poi hantai hamar silong harus sulap baju hapri slap hagoi gerying don tang uwe kunarit nyong long dem bangin siding hang ne hayung jongpi te utau kena wong long but aslap kalau ne slamba bandingi siding tu ila syam makan ding ya kalau lon cipun te ngila ya subscribe mak dia dipisah ban ya tu kena kom ke bai ding ya kapoi cuma kerwat lakam slam Maria poi hang te halat disi kejayu nak kalian ki polis ki bayale ban thuet ki saudak sangi chelsea ki la perkhat ba mangi ngide ki sangi chelsea bat ki la padi yang tak yang pi hab ban sa hang ne hadu ba kan cross ke sau bace ni la kerpat sir semua ni almun ki nei kai Saint Mary's ngim don hia dei pat kini ki sengking atia semua bahasa yang ni ngim pat don ID ngim pat don proof bagi di kini kai kamera arutin kamera kano ka kot ban persisha gede ni kai dikira padak tu tadi katu ngil ai jemot ya leklang syatei syapot hanat nomor syathanat idon kibru ke itu ya keren syatei syapot hanat tu ong dah ini ya leklang syathanat dalam poin syathanat itu ki breu no pothanat nadu osi ki thulang nadu kunum jong Babu Chris wong phiwan le ayu kunum chane te hadir kata to kulit ubron lang to ulas dang trut klik untuk tingirung siapa kamera jong osi garong hapo kamera jong osi wong osi ugiam berkomplai oh kini kisar ki warsine komplai sar hakta ukli phiwan dan kamayu Beliau tai ke jong Babu Chris. Beliau tai ke wan lami yu yang isne. Oh tahu beri utau kulit laurut bapri hak jalan ayu pet no shadow rak tip show. Tewang ani sar ni sosi bengila pentur ya pi so bhalai de kamera jong pi nam tai srai phasha te shi MSB hajan juga parish makrwat. Berkilai jam kumne nak kapor sakapor. Hawai pat u benai Sir Christopher bat mangabiang ni kiu syashalom bat ka ya kayeng kenalong ke bajenjar
congratulations and celebrations we want the world to know we're happy as can be we want the world to know we're happy as can be we want the
Nan her biang syakit korbaj ngai